Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nflx Inc, where the stock has tumbled, literally crushed by 35%, and not only that, you can see the Bloomberg news that one of the largest shareholders, Bill Ackman, he has lost more than 430 million on 3 months Netflix bet, and it is the S&P 500's worst performer. So we are not going to discuss about anything fundamental what will going to happen, because that's a lagging indicator. What's the leading indicator is obviously the price, and that's where we are going to focus on. So this is the weekly chart. Why should I like, or why should I go for long-term chart? The reason is very simple, because in a short term I may not capture this noise, but in a long-term trend, let me tell you, it does not mean that I have pre-planned something and I have already analyzed the chart. Whatever I am doing in each and every video is simply a live presentation. Okay, whether the video is recorded or not, that's a different thing, but whatever I am doing for each and every stock is simply a live presentation. I open a chart, I record it, and I just give it my raw opinion, or the way I analyze is nothing called pre-scripted. So what I was saying here is, in long term the noise is very less, okay, and generally people don't go for that, and that's where we are interested in, because we can get a clear view. Now, as far as the stock of Nflx is concerned, we are going to analyze the long-term chart. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, as you may see here, it is very small, but the P ratio right now on Google, it is saying that 20.53. Okay, with this crash, the stock is now trading at a 20.53 P ratio with a market cap of nearly 10.04 TCR. Or may I just open Yahoo, and here we are. So nearly $100 billion worth of market cap, and 20.12 is the P ratio, and EPS is 11.2. Right, so let's quickly go to the chart and let's draw the line chart over here, and now you can see we are expecting here. So if you are a chart analyst, those who are focusing on chart, they would have seen this thing. They literally seen this thing, and there is no denial in the fact that a correction was overdue, and that is happening. And people who only rely on fundamentals, I am not saying, because I am not in a camp who is going for fundamental and who is going for technical. I use both of the things, because mixing or combination of technicals and fundamentals give you the best view, because it will give you the strong company with strong trend, and with technicals you will get a view whether to buy a company, when to buy and when to sell. So I mean, this stock has a clear-cut indication nearly, or at let me just here we are, readjust this chart, nothing else. Okay, so here we are. So you have this view, and those who knows about technicals, they would have sold it, they would have sold this stock at or near $700, and they would have rather sold this stock at $400 as well. Okay, because this we are not at all counting, because what has happened, if you simply observe this section in between 2018 till 2020, The price pattern was narrowed and it was not moving. So in this kind of price movement, we know that something big will happen, either on the upside or on the downside. But because the overall trend was intact, so what is about to happen has already happened. Now, what's next? What's the next level? We will wait for the stock to test $111, and that's where we will find the respite. Okay, and below $111, this is the stop loss. So below $111, we do not have any interest in this particular stock, or in case in any stock, if the big trend breaks down, we must not look at that particular stock or show our interest until and unless the trend stabilizes again. So $111 is going to be your best buy zone, and that's what one should look for, because it has already crashed for $700, now trading at $226. So you may probably wait for $100 more on the downside, because by that time it will become like 13, 14 or 15, in between 11 and 15 P, which will give you the best valuation at that time, and that's where you will see the stock started moving. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.